How to fix no DP signal on Dell P2725H monitor. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no DP signal, that is no DisplayPort signal, error message that appears on your Dell monitor and prevents it from showing a picture. So let's get started. So you're going to start by inspecting the DisplayPort cable connections. Make sure it's firmly plugged into both the DisplayPort input on your monitor, the graphics card port on your PC. Sometimes a cable might look connected but isn't fully seated. Also ensure you're not accidentally using the wrong port, for example, plugging into the motherboard instead of the GPU. Next, you're going to verify the correct input source. Open your monitor's on-screen display OSD menu and confirm that the input source is set to DisplayPort DP, not HDMI or VGA. If your monitor is looking for an HDMI signal while your PC is outputting DisplayPort, you'll see the no DP signal message. Next, you're going to try a different cable or device. Cables and ports can wear out or malfunction. Swap your DisplayPort cable with a different one to rule out cable failure. Alternatively, connect your monitor to another PC using the same cable. If it works fine on another system, the issue likely lies in your original cable or GPU port. And you gotta also update drivers and firmware. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause signal recognition issues. Visit your GPU manufacturer's site such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest graphics drivers. Check Dell's website for any monitor firmware updates as well. These updates often fix compatibility and signal problems. You could also power cycle your setup. Turn off both your monitor and computer completely, unplug them from the power source for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug them back in and restart. This helps clear temporary glitches or signal detection errors. You can also check for hardware damage. If you've gone through all the above steps and still see no DP signal, the DisplayPort on your monitor or GPU may be damaged. Try connecting known working components, a different monitor or graphics card, to pinpoint the faulty part. If it's under warranty, contact Dell support for service or replacement. And that's it. One of these steps should get your display working again. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.